All our investments should be mapped to a particular goal. It can be child education, it can be your retirement planning, it can be a holiday you're saving for, it can be anything. Hello, good morning, and welcome to another episode of School of Thought. I wanted to dedicate this episode to goal planning. When we save and when we invest in the equity markets, we forget one very important rule, which is goal planning. All our investments should be mapped to a particular goal. It can be child education, it can be your retirement planning, it can be a holiday you're saving for, it can be anything. But always remember that it should be mapped to a particular goal. Like for example, for me, I have goal for my daughter, for Amira, graduation, post-graduation, everything is there which is planned for Amira. So as I said, there are goals which are mapped for Amira, for my kid. Graduation is there, post-graduation is there, it's marriage, her marriage is there. So then there is retirement. I have planned for my retirement as well. It can be any goal. Why goal planning is important is because there is a reason that gets attached to your investments. Now if any volatility happens in the market, like let's say the current volatility which is going on in the market, you know that you don't need this money right now. So whatever losses or volatility or profits that you're seeing on your screen are just actually on your screen, right? It's not realized profits or it's not realized losses. You don't need the money right now. It is just a value that you see on the screen today. So it gives you more comfort and it gives you more reason for your investments. So I always tell all my clients and all my friends that whenever you save, be it any goal, attach something to a goal, right? Attach your investments to any particular goal, right? So that's the importance of goal planning. I hope I made sense and added value to your life somewhere. If you like our content, please do share your views, your comments, subscribe to our channel, and also let us know in any topic that you would like us to cover in this School of Thought series that we've just started. Cheers, thank you.